Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech2. Want to create your own online course but not sure where to start? Whether you are a teacher, coach, or content creator, Wondershare DemoCreator is the perfect tool to help you design engaging professional courses from scratch. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use DemoCreator to build your first online course step by step. Wondershare DemoCreator is an all-in-one screen recorder and video editor designed for educators and trainers. It lets you record your screen, webcam, and audio at the same time, and interactive elements, annotations, quizzes, and even AI-generated avatars to level up your courses. The downloading of this software is available in the video description. Once installed, open the software and you will be greeted by a clean and intuitive interface that's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. When creating an online course, clear and high-quality screen recordings are essential for explaining concepts, demonstrating software, or walking students through a process. DemoCreator makes this process seamless with a variety of options. Like with screen, you can capture your screen to record presentations, slides, or software tutorials. In camera, use your webcam to record yourself alongside your screen, perfect for creating personal connections with your students. Camera, record only your webcam feed if you want to add intros or commentary. With audio option, you can record system audio, microphone input, or both for voiceovers or live narration. And you can capture gaming content, useful if your course involves game development. And use AI-generated avatars for a unique teaching style. And video presentation, it's for combined slides, screen, and webcam for an engaging format. Select the specific area of your screen to record. For example, choose the entire screen for presentations or a smaller area for software demo. DemoCreator offers various presets like 1080p or 4K resolution for high-quality videos. Choose the one that matches your course needs. You can also apply Smart Zoom. It automatically focuses on important sections of the screen. And with cursor highlight, you can make your cursor glow for better visibility. And with AI voice cleaner, you can eliminate background noise for crisp, clear audio. And you can turn your camera on or off and even apply AI beauty filters to enhance your appearance. And with schedule recording, you can set a schedule to automate your screen recording. Once everything is configured, hit the record button, a countdown appears, and DemoCreator begins capturing your screen. After recording your content, it's time to polish your videos in DemoCreator's editor. Your recorded video automatically appears in the editor. Drag it onto the timeline to start editing. You can explore a variety of pre-made templates to structure your course content quickly. Templates help maintain a professional and consistent look throughout your videos. And you can highlight important concepts with text boxes, shapes, and arrows. This is especially useful for emphasizing steps in tutorials or key ideas in lectures. And with video effects, you can add transitions, filters. You can enhance your videos with different effects. And you can also easily remove unwanted objects from your video by selecting the object and click apply. And with pan and zoom effects, you can guide students' attention smoothly across your screen. And you can also apply different transitions between sections of your course. With brand kits, you can add intros, outros, and custom titles that align with your course branding to make your videos more professional. And you can add background music for a professional feel. You can use audio effects to improve sound quality or reduce noise. And if you want, you can add stickers. DemoCreator is packed with AI power tools to save you time and effort while enhancing your course content, like speech to text for subtitles.
Welcome to this video news template. Create videos to report breaking news. The video starts here. Add your channel's logo and improve the identity of your channel.
Subtitles improve accessibility and make your courses more inclusive. Simply click Auto Subtitles, hit Start, and let the software generate accurate captions for your videos.
Starts here. Add your channel's logo and improve the identity of your channel. Tell key information, including who, what, when, where, and why of the story. Use clear and concise language and keep the content brief. This is the video ending. Add your channel ID and use it as a video watermark.
You can even customize the font size and animation style to match your branding.
Add your channel ID and use it as a video watermark.
Once you are happy with the edits, it's time to export your video. DemoCreator supports a variety of formats, so you can easily upload your lessons. And there you have it. With Wondershare DemoCreator, creating online courses has never been easier. Whether you are recording detailed tutorials, creating engaging lectures, or designing step-by-step guides, this all-in-one tool ensures you deliver top-notch, impactful content to your students. So ready to elevate your online teaching game? Download DemoCreator today using the link in the description and start creating your dream course. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.